Need irrigation system maintenance, service and repair in Fort Saskatchewan? Keeping your irrigation system in top shape is essential for a lush lawn and efficient water use. At Kingstree Plumbing, we provide expert maintenance, fast repairs, and customized solutions to keep your system running smoothly. Whether you're dealing with clogged sprinkler heads, leaks, or uneven watering, our experienced team delivers affordable, high-quality service designed for Fort Saskatchewan's unique climate. From routine tune-ups to emergency repairs, we ensure your system stays reliable all year round. With transparent pricing, skilled technicians, and a commitment to customer satisfaction, we're Fort Saskatchewan's trusted choice for irrigation system maintenance, service and repair. Don't let irrigation issues impact your landscape. Call Kingstree Plumbing today.